So there's a lot of different ways to smoke on a kettle. We're going to talk about two different ways, mini minion and a snake. The first one, the mini minion, super simple. You put your wood on the bottom, a nice pile of charcoal on top, create a crater or a divot, light a chimney on the side, and then a little bit of charcoal in that chimney and dump it into the crater and just kind of let it slowly burn and kind of get going. Super, super easy, simple way to do it. Second way, really great, easy way is a snake. And we're literally going to build a snake around the exterior on the bottom of the bowl, 2x2, 3x2, doesn't matter, and pillow the briquettes against each other to make sure that they're touching each other. I add the wood to the front half of it to make sure that we're getting the most smoke onto our food in the early portions of that cook as we can. Dump some lit briquettes on the front end of it to get it going. Rule of thumb for the two settings is smoke setting on the bottom and about half open on top. When I'm trying to regulate the kettle, though, I always start with the top damper if I need to make any changes. It's going to be about temperature range for that setting is going to be in the 225 to 275 range. Theoretically, shouldn't have to touch it. Outside elements might come into play. You might have to. But I always regulate from the top damper first. And if I get wide open on the top, though, and I'm not getting where I need to, it just means you're not getting enough air into your grill to get the fire that you want.
I think that covered everything.
Yeah.